my kitchen. I'm Akshita and you are watching Akshita's Recipes. The theme of my channel is to keep it simple, quick, yet delicious. So like all my other recipes, today's recipe too is going to be very simple to make, few ingredients, and the end result is going to be really delicious where you're going to want to make it again and again. So let's get started with today's recipe. So friends, let's begin with today's delicious Kakdi Pohe or cucumber pohe. This is a very light and delicious snack. Now I'm going to start by grating a cucumber. Now you can use 1, 2 or 3 as much as you like. So I'm just going to grate the cucumber after washing it, cutting off the edges and peeling it, of course. Now the next step is we are going to squeeze out all of the juice of the cucumber. So I've just used a kind of a small colander and I am going to squeeze out all of the juice of this cucumber. That's very important for this recipe. Now whenever you use cucumber, always taste it before you use it, because if it's bitter then please discard it. Your cucumber has, whenever it's bitter, never use a cucumber. So always taste the cucumber before you make it for any recipe, or even if you're using it for a salad. Just a small tip here. So now I'm going to let this sit aside so that all the water goes away. Now I've taken about 1.5 cups of this very pattar pohe or thin pohe, which is used to make chura. Now besides that, I've taken 2 light green chilies, a little bit of coriander. Now I'm just going to sprinkle salt to taste and also a little bit of sugar to taste. Now I've also sieved my pattar pohe, that is, just taken it through a sieve because it has small particles, or the flour, that part of it that comes out. So you need to sieve this. Now after adding the salt and the sugar, I'm just going to add my coriander. Now you'll all know, the regular viewers, that I always soak my coriander in a little bit of water to which salt has been added and then rinse it well. So this is the kakdi from which we have drained out all the moisture, the water. Now I'm going to prepare a tadka. So I've taken about a tablespoon of oil. I've added about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm going to let all of this cook well. And now I'm going to add the green chilies, and I'm going to let the green chilies cook well. I'm adding just a little bit more of hing and a little bit of halad or haldi powder, turmeric powder. Fry the chilies really well so that it flavors the oil very, very well. And then I'm just going to pour this. Okay, now I've added my kakdi or the cucumber. So like I said, you can add as much or as little as you like of the kakdi. So I added about a cup full of kakdi, grated kakdi, from which all the moisture had been taken off. And then I'm going to pour this tadka or this fodni or this tempering all over this pattar pohe. So this is a small little tip that there's a little bit of oil or flavor left in the tempering pot. So just take a little bit of pohe and just take all the goodness out of that fodni. And then we're just going to mix all of this really, really well. Now this is like, and I know this is like an anytime snack when you're really hungry and you just want to make something quick. This is really an ideal snack. So now I'm just going to be mixing it up very, very well. You can use your hands for this, so you can use tablespoons. I just found that my hands is the best thing because it mixes up everything very, very well. And then I just squeeze a little bit of lime on top of it. For some reason I didn't capture that on my camera, but that is also optional. You can add the lime or you can just skip it. And that's it, friends. Your lovely Kakdi Pohe is all ready. This is super, super delicious, and it's really, really something you must try if you haven't tried this before. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you'll get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.